Just before production started, Tex raised
Are you making noise?
supposed to sleep with a man on the first date. The network worried that viewers could dislike her.
What are you saying? Are you telling mommy a story? Yeah? Tell me.
Coming up.
Yeah.
And later.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my. You have so much to say. Is that how your day's going? Really? That tough, huh? Oh my gosh. I didn't know it was so hard. I know. It's hard being 6 months old. Are you looking at mom? What's mom doing? Am I recording you? Ah! Yeah.
King.com. Play for cash is not available in all states. See King.com for details.